Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to be looking at the introduction to machine learning. This tutorial I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about the basic of machine learning. We are going to be looking at what machine learning is, the types of machine learning, how to build a machine learning model. Additionally, I'm going to be leaving the link to a machine learning building project in the description of this video. So after knowing the basic of machine learning, you can just go ahead to look at the project tutorial on machine learning. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Introduction to machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a field of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data and make predictions without being explicitly programmed. Traditional programming versus machine learning. Traditional programming. You write rules, the computer follows them. Machine learning. You provide data, computer finds patterns and creates rules on its own. Example, traditional. You program exact rules for spam detection. Machine learning based. The system analyzes thousands of emails and learns to identify spam automatically. Why is machine learning important? Automates decision making. Machine learning reduces human effort in repetitive tasks, finds hidden patterns. It extracts insights from large data sets, powers artificial intelligence applications. It is used in self-driving cars, chatbots, and fraud detection. Transforms industries. Healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and more now relies heavily on machine learning to streamline their processes and their activities. Real-world examples of machine learning. Netflix and YouTube uses personalized recommendations to recommend movies to viewers based on their search history and the kind of movies they have constantly viewed. Siri and Alexa, voice recognition. Artificial intelligence software and apps like Siri and Alexa makes use of voice recognition to actually recognize the voice of the phone owners and try to actually respond to only that voice with time. Fraud detection. Using machine learning, financial institutions have been able to identify unusual financial transactions. Healthcare. Using machine learning, hospitals has been able to predict disease based on symptoms. Types of machine learning. We have three major types of machine learning. Number one is supervised learning, where machine learning models learn with labels. The model learns from labeled data, that is, input current answers. In this part of machine learning, there is a target. The target is already been provided, and this type of machine learning is mainly used for predictions and classification tasks. Example, we have the email spam detection, where we have whether an email is a spam or not. And this is an example of classification tasks. Loan approval, approve or reject. Supervised machine learning. The model finds hidden patterns in unlabeled data. In this type of machine learning, we do not have a label or a target. This type of machine learning is usually used for clustering and anomaly detection. Examples of unsupervised machine learning include customer segmentation, where we group customers into segments based on their purchasing behavior or their spending habits. Anomaly detection. fraud detection in transactions. This is usually used by financial institutions to actually detect unusual financial activities. Reinforcement learning. This is the third type of machine learning. In this type of machine learning, the machine learning models learn through experiences. The model learns by trial and error and gets reward for good actions. It is just like a student who gets a piece of chocolate for scoring high in a test and a student who gets punished for scoring low in a test. This type of machine learning is used in robotics, gaming, and self-driving cars. For example, self-driving cars that learn by trial and error, where the cars are actually programmed to drive themselves using specific instruction over and over again until they are able to actually learn through trial and error. Key terminologies in machine learning: data sets, the collection of data used for training and testing. Training the model on data, then testing performance. Features and labels. Features are inputs, variables. Labels are correct outputs. Overfitting and underfitting. Balancing between two complex and two simple models. How does a machine learning model learn? A machine learning model learns by collecting and preparing data, choosing a model, training the model on the data set, evaluating its performance, and making predictions. Python libraries used for machine learning. Scikit-learn. This Python library is great for beginners. It is a library that contains all machine learning algorithms from logistic regression to support vector machine and random forest, TensorFlow, and Python. This is machine learning models used for advanced machine learning projects like deep learning, pandas, and NumPy. These are primary models used for handling datasets. They are used for performing arithmetic manipulations.